market volatility. Am I right? The past few weeks, it felt like going to a theme park with a girl you wanted to impress in high school. You're ready to do whatever it takes to look cool, and when your buddies want to go on a roller coaster called Heartstopper that has a 95-degree drop, you don't want to go, but just smile like an idiot and use your sweaty palms to buckle yourself in the seatbelt. It's the roller coaster ride you never wanted to be on, and that's been this price action in a nutshell. But today, we're going to show you how to use butterfly trading on ByBit and Phemex to put some of this volatility to good use and add some gains to your portfolio while you're on the roller coaster. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, home of the BitSquad, the largest crypto community in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In this video, we take a look at leverage trading with ByBit and Phemex and using conditional orders to butterfly trade the market. Leverage trading is a great way to boost your portfolio when the market is going down or when the market is going up. It's also something that hedge funds have been doing since they started. And while I hate hedge funds with the burning intensity of the sun, I know that managing risk while making gains is smart. It's also risky. So only do leverage trading with proper research and risk management. And of course, if you want to trade with Phemex or ByBit, you can head on over to bitboycrypto.com/deals. We have a Phemex and ByBit review on the review section, but on the deal section, there are two different links you can click to get to each site. Each site has a great deposit bonus you can take advantage of by signing up. And after this video, I think you're going to want to sign up actually not just for one, but for both trading sites. So into the strategy. When we don't know which direction an asset is going to go, butterfly trading is a great way to get into a trade as soon as resistance levels break up or down. In a butterfly trade, we look at the chart to find a resistance level that an asset is bouncing off of on a bigger time frame, like the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame. When an asset is hovering near a resistance point, like we saw yesterday at $30,000, at some point it will break up or down. And a butterfly trade takes advantage of putting you in either a long or a short. This is done by setting two conditional orders, one long position above the resistance and a short position below the resistance. Setting a conditional order on ByBit and Phemex is the same as setting a market or limit order, but it sets a condition that a certain price has to happen for the trade to be triggered. You'll see the option to set a conditional order right beside the market and limit order options. With butterfly trading, you'll be taking advantage of market movement no matter what and making gains along the way. And I do want to make a clarification on shorts. I personally don't short that often. It's just not in my strategy for Bitcoin in a bull market. But not everyone is in my situation. If you're a retail investor like me and everyone else in the BitSquad, using shorts could make sense for your portfolio. When retail investors use shorts, they are doing it to make gains on a market they don't control. When hedge funds do it, it's usually to manipulate the markets, drain their competition dry, or simply take a business they don't like because they didn't get sent a fruit basket one Christmas. Yes, they are that petty. If you're new to leverage trading, like I said, check out my ByBit and Phemex tutorial videos. They're the best platforms to leverage trade on and the ones we use to continue to make gains no matter what direction the market is moving in. And as mentioned earlier, you can get started trading on ByBit or Phemex by using the link at bitboycrypto.com/deals. We're also running a trading competition right now on Phemex, so if you want to get in on the action, use the $200 deposit bonus that we're offering right now for our Phemex deal. You can actually view where we're currently ranked on Phemex by checking out the trading competition. But with leverage trading, you take advantage of market movements the way hedge funds are doing it, unemotionally making money when the price goes up and when the price goes down. When you're butterfly trading or any kind of leverage trading, there's one rule that will help you to be successful. Wait for your opportunity and be ready when it comes. The way people lose money trading is they are impatient with trades and they go in without really knowing whether the market is going to make any moves to the upside or the downside. Think of trading as trying to move out of a part of the United States that has good weather, but is governed by hippies and has hordes of homeless people urinating everywhere. A place that, I don't know, maybe rhymes with false Angeles, just hypothetical, of course. Bad trading is standing in the middle of the interstate trying to hitch a ride. Good trading is arriving at the train station early with your bags packed, ticket ready, and your phone charged. You can get on any train when it arrives. Anywhere is better than staying in some hypothetical place in California. Add butterfly trading to this strategy and you can get on the train no matter if it's going to San Diego or Las Vegas. That's a great thing if you want to get out of town, or in our case, if you just want to make some gains. When you're in the trade, watch the volume. It will show you how much steam the train has and how far it can go. Low volume and you might be getting off the train with profit at the next stop. High volume and you might be Arizona bound with some big gains to show for it. We can see a future trade that could be developing right now. We look at the resistance at $41,000 the Bitcoin hasn't broken above. And the resistance of $30K the Bitcoin hasn't had a strong break below. A butterfly trade for this scenario would be a conditional long order above $42,000 and a conditional short order below $28,000. Using butterfly trading means making money if the price of Bitcoin goes above or below those resistance levels, and we're here for it. When we leverage trade, we get to make use of the volatility in the market rather than have it take us on a roller coaster ride we don't want to be on. Leverage trading and butterfly trading gives us more control over the market, and when done correctly, can lead to gains. Comment down below and let us know if you use ByBit or Phemex to leverage trade. Have you ever used the butterfly method of trading to take advantage of the market movement, whether it goes up or down? What's your top risk management tip that you think could help the rest of the Bit Squad? Make sure to drop those all down below, and make sure to check out Phemex and ByBit at bitboycrypto.com/deals. Make sure to put a long in on those like buttons and subscribe buttons. It helps put this content ahead of the YouTube algorithm so more people can see more videos about how to use market volatility to make money. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.